Ward 39 held its third annual Matric Award ceremony earlier today at Uncle Tom's Hall in Orlando West. Today, learners from the class of 2025 were recognized for their hard work and dedication, while Ward Councillor Lefa Murise encouraged younger learners to aim high. Meanwhile, sponsors described the event as an investment in education and the future of the community.
Sakhalaliselwa abafundi abenze kahle kumatikuletsheni wokunyaka ka-2025 kuwa-39 kumcimbi obanjelwe ehholo lomphakathi i-Uncle Tom's e-Orlando West. Ukhansele wengameleli indawo uthi bathokozile ngemisebenzi yalabafundi kanye nezikole ezine endaweni eziphase ngamalengiso.
In partnership noGabo Tombstones, and today we are joined by other stakeholders who ababone ukubaluleka kwalelanga lelamhlanje. In Orlando West, we've got 4 different high schools, and which 4 of them, they made us proud. 2 has achieved 100%, 2 has achieved more than 98, which would be 98 plus.
Kusenjalo izinkampani ezixhasile kulo mcimbi zithi ke zikulungele ukweseka abafundi ngamakhono.
From us as Gabo Tombstones, we do have learnership opportunities that include your cutting, engraving, your call center. There's so many other opportunities, even if our varsity. If we have varsity, do your best, come out shining. But even if you have just passed and you don't have a plan for 2026, don't worry, there's opportunities.
It's not an easy task to pass umatikuletsheni noma mhlawumbe achieve something. So nathi sithi cha tisiphosele sivivaneni ukwenza isiqiniseko sokuthi we do recognize bakwasikwazi ukuthi sibashayile ihlombe abantu abayenze kahle ingane zethu bakithi. Particularly kukhona abangakamkelwanga mhlawumbe ema-university kodwa baphasile umatric, so sithi cha sizokwazi ukuthi sinilekelele ngokuthi sinifundise ubu stone mason or mhlawumbe ukungena kuma concrete jungle records, sinifundise sound engineering.
Abazali nabo bazwakalise ukuziqhenya kwabo ngendima edlalwe umphakathi.
As Ward 39 sinama street rap, ne? Ama street rap adlala indima enkulu kabi. Yeah, we manage ukuthi si activate leyo campaign, you lower your voice, and we manage ukuthi besihlala sisestradini nabo, so sibagijimisa masibabona abahlele emakhoneni sibagijimisa sibafake ezindleni.
Learners who did not make it the previous year, it's still not too late. You can still go back, you are still young, and you can still make yourselves proud.
Lo mcimbi ubanjwa kwesithathu kulonyaka ewadini ukukhuthaza kanye nokubungaza abafundi bakumatikuletsheni. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, nginokulunga Mthembu ngise Orlando West.